Hi guys, welcome to my Motors. I'm working on my 2021 Subaru Crosstrek oil change. The vehicle is due for oil change. So this is one of the signs that will tell you that your vehicle is due for oil change. You'll see some oil leak around the oil filter. So this is your oil filter and this is your oil filler. So you can open this. So I just opened this so that it can vent out. So the vehicle takes about 4.6 quarts of oil, and so I'm using the GTX Castrol GTX, and it's a 020 weight, and this is the oil filter. So I'm using the Fram. It's going to be the FE7317. I will also put the link at the bottom if you want to buy them. I'll put a link. Just click on that link and it should direct you to where you can find the oil and the oil filter for the Subaru Crosstrek. Alright, so now what I did, number one, just remove the filler cap. Just remove the filler cap so that the vehicle can vent, the engine can vent out. That make it easy to drain the fluid. Safety, put the vehicle on the ramps. So I just use my reliable plastic ramps. And so now let's get underneath the vehicle, where we'll find the drain plug. So we got this plastic cover, and so I have my my oil catch right here. So the drain plug, you'll see once you follow this plastic, you'll see at the back here there's a opening. Okay, and then you look all the way in there, and you will see the drain plug is right there. So that's the drain plug, and it's a 17 millimeter plug. So use a 17 millimeter socket on it. So we're gonna go ahead. I've already loosened up the plug. So all I'm gonna do now, just align my oil catch, and by hand let's go ahead and loosen up. And there we go. There we go. So I'm using the 10 quarts oil catch, so it should be good. So here's the oil filter right here. So I'm gonna go ahead. So this is a very tiny oil filter, and the tool to remove the oil filter does not. The one that I have is too big, so it doesn't fit. So what I did, I just used my hand and loosen it up, so it's easy by hand. So you can just go ahead and take it out. Okay, carefully so I don't have to drop any fluid. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean this area. So I got the area cleaned up, nice and clean. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install the new filter. And so it's wise to put in just rub a little oil on the rubber. Okay, put some oil. Doesn't have to be a new oil, but just rub it on a rubber here. That will give it a nice grip, and make sure that you don't have the leaks, because that seal can dry up, and you might have some oil leaks before time. So it's wise to rub some oil on that seal. And because this thing is not that big, you can just tighten up with the hand, get that hand tight. So that should be it. So the oil filter installed, and so we're just gonna go ahead and check at the bottom. See, it looks like it's stopped draining. Doesn't have much oil, just 4.6 quarts, so it's done at the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and put back the drain plug, and that should be it. This is a very easy process, and take about less than 30 minutes to do your oil change on your Crosstrek. Alright guys, the fuel plug it's installed. So now we're gonna go ahead and pour some fluid. So the vehicle takes about 4.6 quarts of fluid. So make sure you have your funnel installed, because that filler area it's way down there. So I'm just gonna pour. Like I said, I'm using Castrol GTX full synthetic. Make sure you have your funnel, or whatever you can use to make sure that you don't spill oil all over the engine. So one, so just definitely take a second one. And then you want to make sure once you complete, check your level. And one more thing that I didn't mention is make sure when you put in your drain plug back, your crush washer. So the plug has a crush washer. Make sure that you replace it, because you don't want to start leaking oil. Before you replace that plug, make sure you replace it. So this is the third one. It's empty now. Okay, so you know, Castrol does not sponsor my my videos, but if they want to, I will be more than happy. So this is my preferred oil on my vehicles. So it's a 4.6. So we're just gonna boil it. I think this is a little bit halfway. So just go one more time. And I think that should work. Then what I'm gonna do from here, I'm just gonna drop the vehicle so it's level, and then check the level, and that should be done. Make sure you check your cap O-ring right here. Make sure it's not brittle or torn. Okay, if it is, go ahead and replace it. And on the cap, guys, it tells you what oil weight you need for this engine. Okay, which is 0 W20. weight. Okay. And this completes the oil change on the Subaru 2021 Subaru Crosstrek. So we're gonna go ahead and put the vehicle down from the ramps and check the oil level. All right, let's see now. Let's try to. Okay. Okay. Just gonna bring it down off the ramps.
The war between Israel and Hamas and its impact on the region, you have to know it's being said in private by leaders who are afraid to say those things in public. That includes Arab leaders, members of Netanyahu's war cabinet.
All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go to the hood and check the level. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and check just clean it up. So make sure. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. Now we're gonna drive it around and make sure that everything is where it's supposed to be. So this pretty much concludes the oil change on 2021 Subaru. Alright guys, that concludes our oil change on the 2021 Subaru Crosstrek. And I really appreciate you guys taking time, sitting, watching the videos. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Go ahead, click that subscribe button, and also click that that bell button so that every time I upload a video, you'll get the notification that there's a new video from Mashoko Motors that you have to watch and enjoy. So once again, thank you so much for watching Mashoko Motors.